quick tutorial in finding the greatest common divisor using prime factors. So consider this problem, find the GCD of 56 and 72. So if you're not familiar with prime numbers, you must consider this one. The prime numbers are the 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. So the goal of prime factors is to use the prime numbers as a divisor or multiplier to generate or to find the greatest common denominator. And also, you need also to consider that in using the prime numbers, you must always start with the smallest prime numbers. And it is divisible with the prime numbers if you continue using that number. Okay, so let's begin. So we have 56 here and 72 here. So let's first solve the 56. So given that we have these prime numbers 2, we need to think of numbers that will multiply the result of 56, and that is 28. 28 times 2 is 56. So, and next is, we also use the prime numbers 2 and try to multiply it with any numbers that result to 28. So that is 14. And you just continue doing the things. As long as there is no remainder, you continue doing the things. So if we multiply 2 by any numbers, it will result 3 times 3 is only 6. And there is no number that we can multiply that result to 7. So the last option is 7 times 1 is equal to 7. So since this side is already meet 1, you need to stop and multiply all the numbers and declare that is the prime numbers of 56. So the prime numbers of 56 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 7, or you can write that one as 2 to the power of 3 times 7. Now let's solve for the number 72. So always start with the smallest prime number, 2. Any number that we need to multiply with that will result to 72. So that is 36, yes, 36 times 36 is 72. Okay, that's good. Start with 2. 2 times 18 will result to 36. And 2 times 9 will also result to 18. And if you're going to 2 times 3, it's 6, so it cannot result to 9. So you need to 3 times 3, and that will result to 9. And also 3 times 1, that will also result to 3. So as you can see, the prime numbers here, because we already reached the 1, we need to list down all the prime numbers of 72 and declare that the prime numbers of 72 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Or you can write this one as 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2. So as you can see, the next goal is to identify the prime factors that are common in both given. So the prime factors that common to them is 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 3. You can use that prime factors to find the GCD. So 2 times 2, 2 times 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Or you can write this one as 2 times 4, because 2 times is 4, and the result is 2 times 2 is 8. So the GCD, and declare that the GCD of 56 and 72 is 8. Okay, so this is our final answer, and that's how you solve it. I hope you get it and you get the concept of finding the GCD using the prime factors. So there are 2 prime factors in solving. The one I'm using is the prime factors by 3. Thank you for watching, and that's all for now.